Gargi, a short while ago, he showed us the Hall of Fame. Is standing there right now as well. We are just 2 hours away from NDTV Indian of the Year 2025. But what's the excitement level like at this point of time?
That's right, Rahesh. And I want to again start with the Wall of Fame. There's a lot of excitement building. People are arriving. You spoke about Janhvi Kapoor. There was a time that Sridevi, her mother, was here, Sushma Swaraj, both no longer with us. This wall, really gives you a sense of the journey NDTV Indian of the Year has, taken. There are many awards with various different platforms, but NDTV Indian of the Year has always set itself apart for the kind of people that it's recognized. Not just celebrities and stars, sports people. We've had scientists, we've had women survivor sports people as well, women who've made their name in, defense, so various in science. We've had so many different, aspects of this award in which we've tried to highlight people in the country who make this country better, who have contributed, who are not just about, comfort, they're about conscience as well. And that is what we try to bring out when we celebrate NDTV Indian of the Year. And it's really a proud moment because I've been there for so many of these awards in the past. I remember when Dr. Manmohan Singh gave the award to Rajnikant, there was almost like a mini riot, I like to say, because everybody's so boisterous just seeing Rajnikant there. It was a very special moment. So yes, NDTV Indian of the Year 2025 is going to take place in just a short while from now. It has been, we are readying the hall right now, and there's also, as I said, been a bit of a worry as we're waiting for all our guests to arrive. As you can see here on the screen, if we can just show them there, you can see the, dress rehearsals or rehearsals are taking place, dry runs really to get a sense of the stage and comfort. We have our anchors up there, and let's just go inside and have a look at what is taking place inside. This is where the magic is going to happen. And you can see we're readying for this. We're joined by Rahul Kanwal here to talk more about this. This is going to be your first NDTV Indian of the Year. Rahul, are you excited?
I've seen this on TV, so many iconic moments, Gargi, over the past 2 decades. So it's really exciting to be here at the NDTV Indian of the Year. We've had some scares with the fog and the flights, but the good thing is...
I just mentioned that, so he's also...
Yeah, so the good thing is that the skies have cleared and the flights are now on their way in and everyone's largely on time. And as I'm sure is the case with you, so many people just wanted to come. This is a relatively small, ballroom at the Oberoi's. It has a very select audience, but everybody so keen in coming and being a part of this. And what a magical celebration, not just the film stars and the cricketers, but more importantly, people who've done well in health, in environment. You track both these sectors so closely, just recognizing the work that they've done. And I want to just say thank you to the jury, Gargi. The fact that they made so much of an effort, such intense debates, conversations, trying to determine who deserves this honor. So it really is a very big deal. So, so many people have been reaching out saying, can I get NDTV Indian of the Year? Of course you can't get NDTV Indian of the Year. You have to earn it. And it's really exciting that there's so much buzz and excitement about the event. And hopefully it should be quite a night to remember.
Right, well, do remember to tune in at 6 o'clock when it begins, and we're really counting down, waiting for all our guests to arrive right here. This is, the back, what's taking place behind the scenes right now. And Rahesha, so I'll hand it back to you. And yes, we're all very excited. And do remember, viewers, to tune in at 6 o'clock and watch this show as it happens.
Right.